Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda Odyssey rear wiper blade. First, gather your tools: a new wiper blade, typically a 16-inch size, and a small flathead screwdriver. Park your Odyssey on a level surface and turn off the ignition. Gently lift the rear wiper arm away from the window until it locks into an upright position. This provides clear access to the old blade for removal. Now, let's remove the old blade. Look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll see a small tab or clip. Press this release tab firmly with your thumb or the flathead screwdriver. While holding the tab, slide the old wiper blade down and off the wiper arm. Be careful not to let the wiper arm snap back against the window, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new 16-inch wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back onto the rear window glass. To complete the process, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper blade. Ensure it moves smoothly across the window and provides a clear, streak-free wipe. Regularly inspecting your wiper blades for cracks or tears can extend their life and maintain good visibility. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your wipers in top condition is crucial for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.